Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and watching me. So this is going to be an ultimate clean with me. I started off in my kids' room. I had been sick since last weekend, so my house is just destroyed and their room got really bad. You'll see my son, he kept blocking the shot, so I apologize, but I was mostly doing it. At one point I just told him, hey, you just stop. He was getting super overwhelmed. He has severe ADHD and sensory processing disorder. So he did help a little bit, but I hope you all enjoy it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel. Thanks so much.
Small town, big crowd, and there you were in front of me. Small talk, big thoughts, all we wanted was to escape. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Hands up, such a rush. I love having you here with me. To dream big is no sin. The sky has no limit, yeah, we're free. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Baby, we're leaving midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. Never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. We're leaving at midnight.
So yeah, at this point I was overwhelmed myself. Their room usually does not get this bad, but yeah, so I just ended up taking a broom and just start sweeping everything up. And there was so much dirt and food, even though they're not supposed to have food in their room. Also, is anybody tired of Legos and hate them as much as I do? Comment down below.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. stay forever. Will you lying in my arms? My heart is open, it just took some time. Now I just hope that you'd stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
So this was a quick 10-minute cleaning with me, but it actually took me hours. My son's room / it's the playroom as well is now super clean. If you can't tell, he loves sharks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'd also really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel and it's totally free. I hope you guys all have a great day. I started running out of steam, so I didn't get to the rest of my house today, but that'll be for the next video. You guys have a great day. Enjoy the quarantine.
Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips press against mine after a night got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same.